Pangy Bear. Click on the snowman's nose, pink snorkel. Click on a bubble with the fish by it, the little baby fish and the penguin. And you click it 4 times. 3, 4. Nope, that's not 4 yet. Now it's 4. Blue Viking helmet. Click on the bucket right there. Stocking cap. Right there, guitar. Acoustic guitar. Trumpet. Guitar drumsticks. And snare drum. And that's it. Let's go see the other one. Let's go to the ski village. Winter sport. Okay. Click on the green dude right there. You get the green hockey jersey. See how much coins? $781,599. Click on that other green dude. You get the green goalie gear. Ice skating. Click on the ice. You get the white pom-poms. Furniture. Nothing here. Well, that's it. Remember, I'm Pangy Bear. I don't care if you crawl around me. Do whatever you want with me. Never telling you the password. Bye.